Welcome to my video on Socrative. Socrative is a free web application that allows instructors to quickly assess students with prepared activities or on-the-fly questions. Socrative promotes fun, effective classroom engagement and assessment. Socrative can be used for pre-assessment, post-assessment, end-of-class feedback, to collect background knowledge, for reflection, and as a quick check for understanding. To use Socrative, instructors need to register and create an account. Once they've created an account, they will receive a unique room code to give to their students to access the instructor's activities. The following shows the interface for Socrative once an instructor has logged in. The different assessments you can set up in Socrative are a quiz composed of multiple choice, true, false, or short answer questions. A space race which allows students to work in pairs or small groups in order to answer questions on a Socrative quiz. As they answer questions, students race to be the first team to cross the finish line. An exit ticket allows the instructor to quickly check understanding before the student leaves for the day. The instructor can also ask a multiple choice, true, false, or short answer question. Students use Socrative by inputting a code on a web page to log their answers on almost any device. Then students' answers register immediately on the instructor's computer. There are a number of advantages to using Socrative. There is good question variety. Socrative provides immediate feedback. Socrative is interactive and engaging. It is simple to use for instructors and students. It is paperless. There is a free option, and it works on Mac, PC, Android, or iOS. Some other advantages of Socrative include that it engages shy and nervous kids who may be hesitant to participate in class. Students can review the feedback from an assessment and apply that knowledge to future assessment situations. Teachers can use data to make on-the-spot instructional decisions or prepare for instruction the next day. Teachers can assess students' background knowledge on a subject. Some limitations of Socrative include that you need good wireless capability, that students need a phone, computer, or tablet. There is a limit of 50 students for a free Socrative account or 150 students for a $49 per year account. You can see in general how the students are doing, but not how the individual student is doing unless you pay $49 per year for an account. It can be time-consuming to create challenging, engaging questions. Some best practices for using Socrative include instructors can create questions in advance, but also experiment with asking questions on the fly. Instructors should consider the following when asking a question. What student learning goals do you have for the question? What do you hope to learn about your students by asking the question? And what will students learn about each other when they see the results of the question? Some other best practices for using Socrative include use a variety of questions, multiple choice, true, false, and short answer. Ask a question approximately every 15 minutes rather than leaving questions to the end of your lecture to keep your students engaged. Be prepared to adapt your teaching if students show they don't understand a question, and when reviewing a question with students, spend some time on each of the answer choices. Feedback can be provided to students in different ways. The quiz can be student-paced, where students answer the questions and submit the answers on their own, or the question can be teacher-paced, where the teacher goes one question at a time, checking answers to a question as the students submit responses, and then assigning the next question for all the students at the same time. Questions are marked automatically by Socrative and displayed to the learner. The principles that drive this strategy are: assessment should be ongoing rather than just at the end of the course. Assessment can be fun, and flexibility of the tool means the instructor is in complete control as to how they want to assess. Socrative would work well in classes from secondary school to college to first year, second year university. Socrative would work in any course where assessment can be framed as short answer, multiple choice, or true-false questions. In my work with clickers at SFU, I have found them particularly popular in the sciences, psychology, and linguistics. In summary, Socrative is a quick, easy way to engage students with assessment questions. In terms of references, I found a book on classroom response systems by Derek Bruff to be really useful. I also found some internet resources but didn't find the quality to be very great. Thank you for watching my video.